So can we write 3.5 as 7 by 2? 2 cancellation. How many times? 2.4 into 7 plus. Can we write 8.25 as 8 1 by 4? 8 1 by 4, 33 by 4 into 0.8 plus 123.25. That's what we have, correct? This is ending with 0.8. 4 how many times? 2 times. The other number ending with plus point. Answer ends with after decimal 0.65. Only one option. Come on. After decimal we have 2 digits. So under root, when you have 2 digits, the original number should have only 1 digit. Which number square is this? 4. After decimal in under root we have 4 digits. Original number should have 2 digits. That will be 0.04 plus 0.3. Answer 0.34. A square minus B square format, A plus B into A minus B. How much is that? 15. Plus 1, 16. Goes to the other side. Plus 16. Minus 7 into 8, 56. Goes to the other side. Plus 56. That is equal to this number. 18 how many times? So 8x is equal to this number only. X is equal to divided by 8. Answer 9. This is minus x. Goes to the right hand side, becomes plus. 6084. 70 square. 70 square 4900. 80 square 6400. It is in between both. So will be in 70s only. When it is ending with 4, it might be either 72 square or 78 square. Middle number between both is 75. 75 square is 56, 25. Our number is more than that. Hence it cannot be 72. Okay. How much is this value? 78. Goes to 78 will be here on left hand side. Minus x goes to the other side. This number comes left hand side and becomes minus 11 how many times? Then x is equal to 3. These 3 numbers goes to right hand side and becomes minus, correct? Okay. Now look at your options. All are integers. Got it? Now when you observe your positive fraction right hand side, it is 1 by 30. And you know that these 3 numbers goes to right hand side and becomes minus. Observe those fractions 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by 2. Will that be more than 1 by 30 or less than 1 by 30 or equal to 1 by 30? Equal to 1 by 30. Baundi. 1 by 3 approximately what percent? 1 by 5, 1 by 2. When you add these 3, will that be equal to 1 by 30? More than that or equal or less than that? And your answers are in integers. That means there is a carry, right? Come on. Consider that carry. 2 plus 5 plus 4 plus carry. Subtract 12 from this number. That's what. Ardhangala. Understood? Done. Left hand side, do you have any additions or subtractions? Okay. Right hand side, 9. 7 plus 3, 10. Plus 5, 15. Plus 3, 18. Is it a 9 multiple? Right hand side number is left hand side also should be 9 multiple, correct? In 35, do you have 9 multiple? At least 3? No. 250? No. 125? Then X must be, go to options. There is only one. 3.6. Over. Right. Don't calculate LCM and all. 1 by 2, tell me percentage. This one, this one, this one. When you add these 4, are you going to get more than 100% or less than 100%? So already you have 1 plus more than 100%. So answer should be 2 something. Correct? Integer wise answer must be 2 something. Go to options. Already 2 eliminated. Now consider your LCM for denominators 2, 4, 5, 10, eliminate 5. See, when I am taking these two numbers, 2 is a factor of 4, so you don't have to bother about 2. Because every 4 multiple is a multiple of 2. And when you take 5 and 10 combination, highest number is 10, every 10 multiple is a multiple of, so you don't have to bother about these two numbers while calculating LCM. 4, 10, LCM 20. So in your answer you should have denominator either 20 or factor of 20. And you know that you already said answer will be in 2 something. Correct? Already second and fifth eliminated. Can it be first option? Third, fourth, done. Two possibilities, 3 possibilities are there. Nothing can be done. Come on. Take this number to right hand side, becomes plus 3, 2, 5. And this also goes to right hand side and becomes minus 13 times of 65. Can I write 65 as 13 5 times? Already 13 is there. So can I write it as 13 square 5 times? What is 13 square? 10 times? Half? 8? 45. Correct? Observe last 2 digits first. Positive number. 18 plus 25. 43 minus 45. Minus 2. Can a number can have minus 2? Then what are last 2 digits? Me bonda 8. Last 2 digits adutunte 8 antaru. From 43, if you subtract 45, answer ends with? Gettiga. 98. Last 2 digits. See, for verifying last digit, you don't have to calculate last 2 digits. This number ends with minus 5. Answer ends with, that I already verified. And I said 3 options are there. So we are calculating last 2 digits. Positive number 43, negative number 45. Last digit, you should tell 98 because last digit 8 already verified we. Okay na? Again 2 options, 3 options. What I verified? Last digit. Ends with sum plus 2. Come on. 7 into which number ends with 1? Sorry. 1 kada vachindi manaki. 7 into which number ends with 1? 3 possibilities are there. 15 square. 22 square 484 plus 12. 7, 21. Divided by 7. 103. Let's calculate. 19 how many times? 3 by 4 goes to right hand side. Becomes minus 3 by 4. Yes? Okay. So what is this number? 17 by 12 minus, I want to write here also denominator 12. 9 by 12, multiply both numerator and denominator with 3, so that denominators becomes equal. How much is numerator now? 8 by 12. Then x is equal to 8 by 12 into 51 divided by 2, 17. Find the amount at simple interest on 3,200 for 2 years, 6 months at 5% per annum. Okay. Per year, how much interest do we get? 5%. 2 years, 6 months in the sense half year. Half year. So what is total interest obtained? Which is 1/8 only? 12.5%. Fraction form. What is 1/8? When you are getting 400 interest, what is amount? 3,600. Average of 6 quantities is 7. Average of 3 of them is 5. What is the average of remaining quantities? Is it number missing case or repeat case? Missing case. How many total we have? How many are already there? How many are missing? So equal quantities, right? Whatever present we have 3, remaining are also 3. So you can make it 2 groups actually, basically. Average of 2 groups is given. One group is already there. We have to identify the second group. You got it? Is it missing case or repeat case? In missing case, do we follow direct effect or reverse effect? Fine. What is actual average? Given average for 3 numbers, which is more than that or less than the actual average? How much less? So we have to add 2. Come on. Equality concept, average of all 6 numbers is 7. So missing 3 numbers average is also 7. Existing group average is less than the original average. So average of these 2 numbers, these 3 numbers is more. How much more? 2 more. Answer. समझ में आया? पक्का? हाँ. Otherwise you have to calculate 7 into 6 minus 3 into 5. Sum of 6 numbers minus sum of existing 3 numbers is sum of missing 3 numbers. We were asked to calculate average by 3. You got it? Take 3 common, 2 times 3 cancelled. 14 minus 5, 9. 5 power any number ends with, 1 power any number ends with, sum ends with. The market price of bicycle is 1150. Shopkeeper allows a discount of 15% and gets a profit of 15%. Find the cost price of the bicycle. Okay. How much discount is offered? Then market price, selling price is 85% of market price. When you are getting a profit of 15%, at what price we are selling? 115% of cost price. Both are selling prices, right? Hence both are equal. So from this, market price by cost price is 115 divided by 85. This is ratio, so it should be in terms of number of parts. If 115 parts is equal to 1150, that is what given in question. Then cost price is 85 parts, that will be 850. Followed? Average monthly income of P and Q is 6,000. Average monthly income of Q and R is 5250. Average monthly income of P and R is 5,500. Monthly income of P is. Okay. So whenever we were given average for P comma Q, Q comma R, P comma R, how do we get Let's assume these are three different equations. 1, 2, 3. To get P value, to get Q value, to get R value, to get P, Q, R value, and then average of P, Q, R. These are the 5 questions that they may ask you. If it is about P, where is P in those 3 equations? 1 and 3. Add both. You get 2P plus Q plus R. Q plus R are extra. If you subtract the second equation, what do you get? 2P. But that is average, right? Everywhere you have P plus Q by 2, Q plus R by 2, R plus P by 2. Denominator 2 is there. 2P by 2 gets cancelled and finally you are left with P. Ardhamainda? How do you get Q? Where is Q? 1 and 2 minus 3. Where is R? 2 plus 3 minus 1. How do you get sum of P, Q, R? 1 plus 2 plus 3. That's it. Come on. And if you want P, average of P, Q, R, 1 plus 2 plus 3 by 3. ఏంలా దీనికి divided by 3 నే కదా difference. Yes? Right. So what is your question now? P. Where is P? First one and third one. Correct? And you have to subtract second one from this number. 5250 subtracted from 5500. How much is left? 250 added to 6000. Third option answer. You don't have to write anything. Background process P plus Q by 2. First equation, last equation, P plus R by 2, average of P and R. From this we are subtracting average of Q and R. When you take 2 common, numerator you are left with 2P. Gets cancelled and finally you will have P over there. Is it okay? Right. 40 men can complete a work in 15 days, 5 days after they started working. 20 men joined them. How many days will they now take to complete the remaining work? 40 men can complete the total work in how many days? After how many days they are talking now? 5 days after they started working. Meaning first 5 days work is already done. If 40 people want to complete the remaining work, how many more days they need to work? Come on. This is what the remaining work. After 5 days. Is it okay? Now what happened? 20 more men joined. Already how many are there? Plus 20 by 60. This is the time taken by them. Yes? 0 cancel. 6 times 4 by 6, 2 by 3. If A can do a piece of work in 4 days, B can do the same piece of work in 6 days, C can do the same in 8 days, then working together, how many days will they take to complete the work? How many days will they now take to complete the work? Okay. A 4 days, B 6 days, C 8 days. LCM, that is total work. A does, B does, C does. When all are working together, how many units they do? Divided by 13 only. You know that answer is not an integer. Yes. And fraction, our denominator is 13. Your answer should have either 13 or factor of 13. 13 is a prime number. So answer should be either perfect integer or a fraction with denominator 13 for sure. Okay. A bag contains 50 paisa, 25 paisa, 10 paisa coins in the ratio 5, 8, 3, amounting to 144 rupees. Find the number of 50 paisa coins. 144 is in rupees. But here coins are in pies. Everything should be in rupees or everything should be in pies. Let's convert into rupees. 25 paisa meaning half rupee. 50 paisa meaning half rupee. 25 paisa 1 by 4. 10 paisa 1 by 10. Number of coins 5p, 8p, 3p. Half rupee coins 5p are there. Amount collected is going to be 2.5 parts. 1/4 rupee coins 8p are there. Amount collected is 2p only. 1 by 10 rupee coins 3 parts are there. Amount collected is 0.3 parts. When you add everything, that will give you total collection, which is equal to 4.8 parts. Am I right? How much is that in terms of rupees? Then 1 part is equal to divided by 4.8 only. What is that you want? What do you want to calculate? Number of 50 paisa coins, which is equal to 5 parts, right? Into 5 only. Come on. Answer. Don't have to actually solve it. What is denominator? How many times you want? Which is little bit more than 4.8, right? Come on. That means answer should be little bit more than 144. Go to options, you are done. What I mean to say, if you go for cancellation here, you'll get 1 point something. That extra difference is very negligible. So answer should be close to 144 and little bit more than that. Agandi, అర్థమైపోయింది. 4.8 can I write it as 48 by 10? By 10 comes to numerator. 48. 2 less than 50. 3 times will be 6 less than 150. Numerator is 6 less than 150. So it will be 3 times into 50, 150. Okay. ఇంక ఇది కూడా అర్థం కాలేదంటే 48తో 4 చేసి 2 చేసి Rani takes 30 minutes to reach school from home. Raja takes 45 minutes to cover the same distance. Find the ratio of time taken by Rani to time taken by Raja. ఇది ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అండి అసలు. డైరెక్ట్ రేషియోనే కదా. కనీసం ఇక్కడ టైం ఇచ్చారు, స్పీడ్ రేషియో అడిగినా కానీ ఏదో కొంచెం సంతోషించేవాళ్ళం. టైం ఇచ్చారు, టైం రేషియోని అడిగారు. నథింగ్ ఈజ్ దేర్. Hassan studies for 1/5 hours daily. He devotes 2.5 hours of his time for science. How much time does he devote for the other subjects? What is total time? 1/5 hour. Correct? And for other subjects in the sense, from the total time, we have to subtract 2.5 hours only. Let me first convert hours to minutes for simplification purpose. 1/5 hour. 5 hours, 1/5 hour meaning 12 minutes into 60 kada. 2.5 hours. 2 hours, 30 minutes. Correct. Instead of 2.5 hours, let me subtract 3 hours and then add 30. Okay. Subtract 3 hours. 2 hours, 12 minutes plus 30. 42. Answer is either first option or fourth option. Correct? Come on. Is this equal to 2 hours 42 minutes? No. 3 by hour, if you want to convert into hours to minutes, into 60, 0 gets cancelled. 18. 2 hours 18 minutes is the one. So once this is also eliminated, answer is fourth option. Come on. Product must be -12. -6 plus 2 is the combination. Correct? Then factors are +6 -2. -8 -9 is the combination. Then factors are plus 8 plus 9. X and Y. X is less than Y. Right. Product must be 55. Minus 11 minus 5 is the combination. Product is positive. Sum is minus 16. Then factors of X. 5 comma 11. Product must be 63. 7 9 times. Minus 7 minus 9 minus 16. Factors are plus. Ante kada? That is enough for to answer the question. 7 lies in between 5 comma 11, right? Answer. No relation. Combination 7 15 times. 7 into 15 105. 7 plus 15 22. All conditions satisfied. X is minus 7 minus 15, correct? Then come on, Y. Can I rewrite the equation as y square plus 12y plus 35 is equal to 0? 5 comma 7 is the combination. Factors are minus 5. X is less than or equal to y. Yes. Let me rewrite the equation. 2x square plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Is that okay? Product must be negative number. Sum must be 3. 4 minus 1 is the combination. Come on. అసలు ఇదంతా ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నాం? ఫ్రీ క్వశ్చన్ కదా ఇది. ఆన్సర్ నో రిలేషన్. రైట్. Rewrite the equation. X square plus 4x minus 32 is equal to 0. The other equation also. Y square minus 14y plus 48 is equals to 0. 32. 8 4 times. Plus 8 minus 4 is the combination. Factors are minus 8 plus 4. 6 and 8. 6 and 8. Minus 6 minus 8 is the combination. Then factors are plus 6 plus 8. X is less than y. Followed. Number of students clearing an exam from 5 different colleges. Total number is 2100. Segregation is given in terms of percentage. So 100% is the total, which is equal to 2100. What is 1% value? 20, which is a 3 multiple and also 7 multiple. Right? Remember this. Number of students clearing the exam from college D forms what percent of number of students clearing the exam from college E? D, how many we have? E, percentage into 100 only, 1300. Are you comfortable with 17 calculation? 17 multiple acha? Go to options. Your numerator, is it more than the denominator or less than the denominator? Answer must be definitely less than 100%. Already 3 options eliminated. 2 options are left. First and fourth. If you calculate 80%, with this value we can answer the question. Come on. You just need to decide whether answer is more than 80 or less than 80. Enough? What is 10% of the denominator? 1.20%. 3.4. Subtracting 20% is equal to 80%. 20% is 3.4. If 3.4 is subtracted, that is 13.6. Look at your numerator now. Is it more than 80% or less than 80%? Less than 80%? Answer. First option. Followed. If you are good at 17 multiple, write 1300 by 17 and then go for cancellation. What is the number of students clearing the exam from college C? College C, what percent? Into 1% value. Answer ends with one option. Total number of students clearing the exam from college A and D together form what percent of number of students clearing the exam from college B? With respect to B, we need to compare A and D. A 29, D 13, both together 42 forms what percentage with respect to 30? Percentage into 100. Because easy to calculate, I am going for cancellation. I could see 0 directly. Okay. 3 how many times? Into 10. 140. If 30% of students clearing the exam from college B are female, how many male from college B cleared the exam? No, yes, no, yes, no, no. ఏం చేశాను? I told you to remember 1% value is 3 multiple and also right. We have total. This is our total. Out of this 30% are female. Our question is to identify male. Come on. Entamma? 70%. If 30% are female, remaining are 70% in this in 7/10 of this number only. So can you eliminate 3 multiple? Come on. Look at your options. Can it be first option? No. Second option, is it a 3 multiple? Yes, that may be your answer. Hold it. Third option, is it a 3 multiple? Fourth option, that's a 3 multiple. Fifth option, answer is either second or fourth. Now you have 7 multiple. Can you eliminate 7 multiple? Because we don't have any denominator. We have denominator, but what is there in denominator? 10. So can you cancel 7 there? So answer must be 7 multiple also. 7 6 times 42, 21, 7 3s. This can be your answer, hold it. 7 5s 35. Leaving 35 you have 37. Is it 7 multiple? No. Second final. ఈ గొడవంతా వద్దు అని అనుకుంటే క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయటమే. Total B value 30. Out of 30, 30% is 9. If 9 is gone, remaining 21% are male. You got it? Where 1% value, answer ends with. What is the respective ratio between number of students clearing the exam from college C to those clearing the exam from college B? Direct value C11, B30, 1130, fourth option. Clear?